Hey, what's up, guys? So about a month ago, I bought some wheels from my truck. They're black wheels, but since this truck has some chrome trim on it, I really don't want to have black wheels on it and chrome trim at the same time, and I really don't want to get rid of the chrome trim. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my wheels right now to this guy that powder coats. Thinking of doing them silver. I really wanted to do them red, but I don't know. It's probably gonna look kind of weird. So I figured might as well just do like something silver, something easy, simple, and that way I can still keep the chrome and it doesn't look too bad. This is the wheel design. The good thing is that it's all metal, so I could get this powder coated too. Yeah, I was thinking it was plastic. That's badass. No le pongo esto. I was thinking the whole time que eran plastic.
So, son universal?
Yeah.
A Ford?
Ford and Chevy. Alright guys, so I believe I'm here at the place. Haven't got off yet, but if you can see in the back, I don't think you can tell. Well, anyways, I'm here, so I'm gonna drop off the wheels. I'm gonna see what the guy says about the turnaround time. So a ver si los tiene listos kind of quick. So all these wheels, it's gonna fix like these bends, curb rash. Got these done already. I really wanted this machine look, but since my center caps are kind of thin, he said it might break, so I'm just gonna have to settle for like a silver. Got these wheels done already.
Apenas acaba de salir. Está caliente.
Está caliente, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Está bonito este color también. ¿Ese cómo le llaman?
Este es como un gomero.
Gomero.
Sí, para un Tesla. aquí es donde los...
El horno.
Sí, está un poquito caliente como lo acabamos de sacar.
Sí. ¿Qué tan caliente se pone ahí?
A 400.
400 grados.
400, depende del tamaño del ring.
Está bien.
Sí. Ese lo desarmamos porque como es de dos piezas,
De dos
hay
piezas.
que pintar las piezas por separado.
También pintan headers.
Sí, pintamos esas, más que eso sí casi a veces hay que explicarle al cliente porque a veces no aguantan mucho
Con calor.
la calor cuando lo ponen en el carro.
Just dropped off my wheels. The guy said they should be ready by tomorrow, which is pretty fast. It's a good turnaround time. Can't wait till they're done. Hopefully I can put them on too. So I just gotta wait and see how they come out. The guy said the wheels were done, so I'm here to pick them up. A ver si quedaron bien. Let's go check them out.
¿Lo quieres en la caja o si te lo vas a llevar?
Si tiene la caja está bien. Ahorita los monto. Alright, so the wheels are done, man. They look pretty good. They're still kind of warm. I guess they just came out the oven.
No, no se puede.
Ese ya está muy dañado.
No lo pueden hacer nada.
Sí quedaron bien estos. Sí me gustó cómo quedaron. The wheels fixed. These are the ones that are repaired already. We got these repaired, mounted. That's how the wheel looks in the sun. Looks like it has a little bit of flake. Looks pretty good. So you already know where to come by. Alright, so the wheels look pretty good. I like them. Quedaron bien. Better than black. Well, for the look that I'm going, looks better than the black ones for sure. They got a little bit of flake on them, so with the sunlight, they look pretty clean. I really wanted them red, but oh well. Silver looks good, and can't wait to put them on already.